Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You will begin by preparing essentials: Node, JS, a Discord application, and an image API key. Once done, make a repo and run npm init so you have package, JSON, install Discord, JS, and a lightweight HTTP client. This gives you the runtime and networking. Make sure to store Discord token and API KEY in environment variables, not in source. Then scaffold a basic index, JS entry that logs in with the token and listens for messages. You will implement the middle logic by parsing a / command or message command that accepts a user prompt. Next, call your chosen image API with that prompt and desired size, then await the response. Handle either a returned URL or base64 blob. Once received, upload the image to Discord as an attachment or embed. Make sure to add safety checks and per-user rate limiting so the bot cannot be abused, and use try/catch to surface clear errors back to the user when the API fails. You will finish by deploying the bot to a stable host and configuring a supervisor so it restarts on crashes. Once deployed, register /commands and test end-to-end, verifying attachments and embeds display correctly. Make sure to monitor logs and metrics for rate limit or auth errors. If something goes wrong, check for 401 or 429 responses first. Confirm your environment variables, API quotas, and that intents are enabled. Finally, iterate on prompt handling, backoff, and caching to make the bot robust.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.